demonstration of WhatsApp service messages, which we've recently launched. These allow you to reply to a message from a customer. So I'm going to send a message back to the message I've had from the business, asking how I'd find out more. Normally with WhatsApp, when you contact a customer, you can only use a template. Once they've engaged with you though on WhatsApp and sent you a question, you're then allowed to send free text replies and have a much more free-flowing chat. So that's now come through on the webhook. So we've seen how I would receive that into my app. And then I can use a simple query like this to following the same format as the rest of the omnichannel API. We're saying channel WhatsApp, saying who it's going to, and then in my body I'm just going to say send a simple message and hit send on that. That will then come through like any normal message. Obviously, this isn't how we expect people to interact with it. This is just a demonstration, and normally this will be integrated into an app or a CRM that will be providing the UI for the interface. But the service message API is now there, so you can support this type of conversation.